Hey everyone, welcome back to Making Money with Leo, where we explore the best ways to monetize your creativity. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our tips and tricks. Today, I've got an incredible and simple niche for TikTok and YouTube that can help you go viral in no time. This niche is expansive, so you'll never run out of video ideas. Plus, it's highly monetizable on both platforms. If you're searching for a low-competition, long-term niche, this is your golden opportunity. In the next few minutes, I'll share a 3-step formula to get started in this niche. Finding video ideas, gathering all necessary elements like videos, images, and sound, and finally, a complete editing tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start today. Stick around until the end for a special tip on how to go viral on TikTok. So, what's this niche? I'm calling it the facts niche. The facts niche is incredibly versatile. You can dive into numerous sub-niches. For instance, you could cover geographical facts, like 5 fascinating facts about Japan, or historical facts, like 3 surprising facts about ancient Egypt. There's also tech facts, health facts, and so much more. This diversity is what makes the facts niche perfect for long-term content creation. Let me show you an example. 3 astounding facts about iconic landmarks. Did you know the Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer? The iron expands in the heat, making it grow slightly. The Great Wall of China isn't a single continuous wall, but a series of walls and fortifications built over various dynasties. The Statue of Liberty's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World, and it was a gift from France to the United States in 1886. Now that you have an idea about this niche, let's get started. First, plan your content for the week. With this method, you can create at least 2 videos per day, even with a busy schedule. That's 14 videos per week. So, start by brainstorming and listing 14 facts. Next, let's talk about script creation. For our example, the topic is 3 amazing facts about iconic landmarks. There are 2 methods. You can either Google the topic and gather information from various articles to create your script, or you can use ChatGPT. I prefer the latter for efficiency. Simply ask ChatGPT, generate a script for a video about 3 amazing facts about iconic landmarks. Ensure it sounds natural and engaging. Review the script and personalize it. For example, start with a hook. Did you know these amazing facts about iconic landmarks? This grabs attention right away. Creating a script is straightforward with this method. Next, we need voiceover. The voice should sound realistic, so I use 11 Labs for high-quality, lifelike AI voices. They offer a variety of voices, and you can even clone your own voice. This is cost-effective and perfect for monetization. Sign up for free and get 10,000 characters. Choose a suitable voice, then generate the voiceovers by copying the script in parts. This ensures better quality. Store all voiceovers in a new folder for easy access. For background videos, head to pexels.com for free, copyright-free footage. Download clips that match your topic, such as landmarks for our example. Now, let's create images using Leonardo AI. Sign up for an account to access daily free credits. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts for Leonardo AI. For instance, create an image of the Eiffel Tower on a sunny day. Generate and download these images to complement your script. Finally, you'll need background music. Pixabay.com offers free copyright-free music tracks. Choose something upbeat and engaging to match your video's tone. With all elements ready, it's time to edit. I recommend CapCut, a free and user-friendly editor. Follow these steps. Start a new project and set the video size to 9:16. Import all your material. Arrange the voiceovers on the timeline in the correct order, removing any silent part. Add background video, adjusting sizes and applying filters if desired. Insert the generated images, adding suitable animation. Add captions using CapCut's auto caption feature. Customize the text to make it bold and easily readable. Add and adjust background music volume to fit the voiceover. Export the final video. First up, we have the Great Wall of China. Did you know that this incredible structure is over 13,000 miles long? That's more than half the circumference of the Earth. Contrary to popular belief, you can't actually see it from space with the naked eye. The wall was originally built to protect against invasions and took over 2,000 years to complete. Off to Egypt, where the pyramids of Giza stand as a testament to ancient engineering. The Great Pyramid, built for Pharaoh Khufu, was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Despite being built around 4,500 years ago, the precision with which they were constructed is astonishing. The pyramids are aligned with the stars and are one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Finally, we're in New York City, home to the Statue of Liberty, a gift from France to the United States in 1886. Lady Liberty is a symbol of freedom and democracy. Did you know that the statue's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World? The 7 spikes on her crown represent the 7 seas and continents, emphasizing the universal concept a simple hack. Start your video with a question. This creates curiosity and keeps viewers engaged. For instance, did you know these amazing facts about iconic landmarks? This approach boosts watch time and views. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment with the viral facts you plan to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money with your creativity. See you in the next video.